Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will convert a simple circle into a heart-like shape using the direct selection tool. Start by drawing a perfect circle. Now activate the direct selection tool to reveal its angles. Click the top angle, drag it downward slightly. Next pull the left and right angles outward. Now adjust their handles to form the rounded top ridges. Drag the bottom angles downward to elongate the points. Pull its handles inward for a crisp trapped shape. Go back and refine the top curves until both sides match. Ensure symmetry by comparing left and right arcs. Tweaks the handle for smoother transition and also adjust points subtly until the heart shape forms naturally. Look at